Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about stateback.com reviews? If yes, then watch this video. This unwise review will help you to decide either you should buy anything from this store or not, because the website is getting attention of online customers, especially from United States and United Kingdom, and people are curious to know about the legitimacy of this portal. Let's check out what is this stateback.com. This is an e-store that holds all sort of custom item and close contact with the reputable production houses and supplier as per its about us page. The website holds gorgeous decorative items such as Santa decoration card, chef message board, cabinet decoration, Xmas doll bag, LED lights, 3D metal wind chime, etc. Moreover, the website provides pre-Christmas sales where you can save a fortune of money. In collaboration, the site is providing up to 70% off on its entire decoration item. Along with that, people can enjoy additional benefit like 5% off on first item, 10% off on second, and 15% off on third item shopping. Let's check out the specification of this portal. It is HTTPS secure website. They are selling Christmas decoration products. It was registered on 18 September 2021. You can enjoy free shipping over the order of $65 plus. Delivery time needs 15 to 20 days. They have mentioned their newsletter. Social media links are available. Payment method is just PayPal. You can return the product within 14 days of your purchase. They have shared their contact number, physical address, and email address. The positive point of shopping from Stepback are the website has mentioned its complete contact detail. The site seems SSL encrypted. The site is having Xmax sale on it where shoppers can get a massive discount. It holds a large decorative item. Moreover, it is not taking up any shopping fee if your order is above $65. The negative point of shopping from this portal are it holds fake social media links on it. There are no customer review available on the website. The site is selling its item at unrealistic price. So the question here arises, is Stateback legit or a scam store? So as we are discussing all the detail to check out the legitimacy of this portal, let's check out in depth. As we discussed, it was registered on 18 September 2021 and it is less than 6 months old, and its validity is just 18 September 2022. Like, its life expectancy date is very short and it is not a good sign. We are unfortunate to find customer reviews. Social media links are not original, they are fake. The physical address is copied from some fake websites. Trust rank is about 28.3 out of 100 and trust index score is horrible, that is 2%. Poor Alexa ranking is available. While researching for this website for reviews of customer, as we all know that customer review give us a lot of help in checking out the legitimacy of the site portal, we found no review of customer either on the website nor on any other reviewing site. So, in our conclusion, we can say that the website seems dishonest to us as per the available parameter which we discussed with you. Therefore, we suggest to all the customer who are interested to shop from this store, it's better to stay away from this store. And if you are still interested, you must check out all the detail we discussed with you.